Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Qwen chat application. So first of all, you need to make sure that this app is installed in your smartphone. Then simply tap on the open button. Then you can see it's really easy and simple. If you want to create your account, you can tap here login, or without creating account you can still use this app. So I'm just going to tap login right top corner. Then you can create your account three ways, like you can create Google with GitHub and with sign up manually. So this time I'm going to create account, continue with Google, then tap agree and share. So it's loading now. It's created your account, so now it's time to use. Okay, you can see here this portion, and there are a couple of options like image edit, web development, deep research, artifacts, image generations, and video generation also available here. So simply tap how can I help you today. So you can type hi, and tap here. So it's like you can see here they're taking hi, I'm glad to your interest, however I'm not a channel or service that. So you can see here, so if you want to image edit, simply tap image edit. Then you can upload your image through this way. You can see plus icon, then you can upload your image here. And if you want to web development, then you can code it here. So all this thing is available here. Make a header code. So you can see here all the thing is really nice and amazing. You can get without any knowledge, just ask this model and you will get the proper. So this is OA, and I just stop it because I don't need it. And you can see here, you can preview, you can edit this, you can also edit, okay, through this OA. And tap the thinking, and then you will get here your token 81,000. So tap plus icon and you can get here, you can upload files, you can upload videos and lot of things. So so you can see, okay, and just go back, and you can see here deep research, artifacts, image generations. So you can image generation, you can see here use prompt, and this has to tap here image generation. Then you can set the ratio, aspect ratio, like if you want to create short, then type here make a bird image. So it's really nice applications, but it's not totally free. Like you can use some things, and after that you need to subscribe not available today. So you can still use it until you get the notification.